Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up the kid space, the parental controls on your OPPO Reno 15. At first, open the settings. Here in the I need to reset my settings, but here we need to scroll down to the accessibility and convenience over here. Now scroll down till you see the kids mode. Tap it, and now here tap agree and continue. Now we can select the applications for our children. Tap next. We can enable time and limit for our children, for example 15, 30, 45, 1 hour or custom time limit. I'll say 1 hour. Next, and here we have some protections like features, for example ambient light reminder, sleep position reminder, viewing distance reminder, eye protecting display. Tap OK. And here now we are in the child mode. If we tap these three dots, we can see parental controls, lock screen pattern, Wi-Fi, mobile network, added apps, tablet, eyesight protection, and create home screen shortcut. If you want to exit, just tap exit over here, lock screen pattern, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.